So one of the most, I would say, requested feature for TypeScript has been introduced in its newer version, right? And if you come onto the official playground of TypeScript, you can see that right now I'm at version 5.4.5, which is one step previous version, right? And this was the most requested feature for the TypeScript developers, right? And there was also a ticket for that in TypeScript community. Okay, so we are having an array which can have a possible values of a string as well as null, right? So that was the use case over here. And let's say if I'm filtering out all the values which are null, so I'm expecting that the newly transformed array will be having only the values of a string type, right? But you see that if I hover on this only string type, you can see that it is still giving me that this can have values of a string and null as well, right? Even I have filtered all the values of null, okay, still it is saying that it can have the values of a string and null, okay. And now if I switch to the newer version of 5.4 and I've opened that in the new tab, okay, and you can see here I have had the same code snippet, but right now if you hover on this thing, you can see that this now is working as per the request, right? And now we can see that we are only having a transformed array which can only contain the string values. So if you're liking somewhat videos like this, so do join me in my YouTube channel in which I cover all the content regarding web development.